Want happy, glowing skin with youthful radiance and bounce? Then say hello to ageLOC Boost, a breakthrough device that boosts your natural beauty and reveals your skin's brilliant best from the world's #1 at-home beauty device system brand. The ageLOC Boost system features variable pulse microcurrent technology and potent ingredients to awaken and optimize your skin. Just 2 minutes a day gives you visibly bouncier, brighter, plumper skin, rejuvenated and even-toned. Say goodbye to dull, tired skin. ageLOC Boost is a beauty boost with every use. Now that's simply brilliant.